Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now, if you want to quickly remove the history, just tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got, I would say, basic options for removing the data. You can remove browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. You can change the time range and then tap on Clear Data. However, let me show you another section where you can also remove something manually. Enter the three dots icon again and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and you can remove them manually here just by tapping on this X button. You can also tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here you can open advanced options like saved passwords. You can remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or even all time. So it's up to you, and then tap on Clear Data. As you can see, the history is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.